Transform your Squarespace website from plain to powerful by mastering custom button design. First, navigate to your Squarespace website and then click on the Website tab in your left-hand menu. Next, select Pages from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your site's page structure. Now, let's add a button to any page you're currently editing. Click the Add Block icon, which looks like a plus sign within a circle. In the block menu, find and select the button block. This will insert a basic button onto your page. Click the pencil icon on the button to bring up its settings. Here's where the magic happens for customization. In the text field, enter the desired text for your button, like Learn More or Sign Up Now. Then, in the link field, enter the web address you want your button to direct visitors to. Now, let's get creative. Click on the Design tab to access all your styling options. Under Style, you can choose from preset button styles like primary, secondary, or tertiary to match your existing site design. Want an outline button? Simply toggle the outline option to on. You can also add a drop-down arrow by toggling the drop-down arrow option. For an extra touch, add hover text. This text will appear when someone hovers over your button. Use the color picker to select a new background color for your button. You can also choose a border color here if you're using an outline style, or a text color for your button. Experiment with different color combinations until you achieve the perfect look. Customize your button's typography by selecting a different font to further enhance its visual appeal. Once you're happy with all your styling choices, click Apply to save your custom button. See how easily you can create stylish, effective call to actions.